How to delete cart details on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your cart details on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So keep in mind, if you've set that card as your default payment method and you have some type of Amazon subscription, if you remove the card or your payment method, then you're going to lose the subscriptions. Just keep that in mind. So if you still want to delete your card, just open up your Safari browser and then you simply want to go to amazon.com. Once you go to amazon.com, make sure that you're signed into your account. Then tap on the account icon from the top right. Just go to your account and tap on the see all button next to your account. So just go to the see all option. So when you tap on see all, over here under account settings, you have to look for the option called your payments under the payment section. So just tap on your payment. So once you tap on your payment, here you'll be able to see the cards that you've added. You can see wallet and then you can see the cards that I've added. To delete these card details, just tap on it over here, and once I tap on it, I basically have the option to tap on the edit button again. So basically once I tap on edit button, I just need to scroll, and then here at the bottom you can find the option called remove from wallet. All I need to do is just tap on the remove from wallet button in order to remove this specific card from my wallet. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then delete card details on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.